Now the enterprises was originally incorporated private limited company under the Companies Act 1956 certification incorporation issue by Registered of Companies Maharashtra Mumbai dated 5th September 2007, the name as Tarana Advertising and Marketing Private Limited. Subsequently, name of company has been changed and it has become Navodaya Enterprises. Is a fresh certificate was issued on 18th of July 2019. The company is into the public limited name and Navodaya Enterprises has been recognized as a uh, uh, get a certificate on the 20th August 2021. This company is located in Andheri, Mumbai. So you can see they are into the advertising and yes, absolutely. This is they are doing marketing, branding, etc. You can log in on their website for further information www.navodayenterprise.com. Now the Enterprise Limited team details. Mr. Anand V. Mode is Managing Director. Sachin S. Garud is Independent Director. Shamsuddin Ismail Pollard is Independent Director. Alka Award is Independent Director. Akash Thorat. And apart from that, their shareholding by these promoters are pre-issue shareholding is 99.98%, and after post issue shareholding will be 40.21% by promoters. Yes, now the enterprises limited products are business consultancy and advisory, market research, strategy and operation consulting, company and business setup management, support for startup venture, where financial consulting services, transaction advisory including merger and acquisition, due diligence, valuation, economy analysis, advisory on joint venture, partnership and strategy alliances, process management consultancy, products development, process creation, supply chain assessment and design, quality and regulatory process development, market support and advertising, where media services and marketing support services are available with them. Now the enterprise FPO IPO opening date is on 14 June 2021. IPO closing date will be 17 June 2021, where issue type is a fixed price issue, face value is 10 rupees per equity share, IPO pricing is 20 rupees per equity share, market lot size is 6,000 share, minimum order quantity is 6,000 share, listing at SME and BSE. And this is the where you can lot size is one, minimum and maximum you can apply one lot, where there are 6,000 shares, so that the price lots amount is in 1,20,000 rupees only. So dear investors, if you find this amount is quite big, then you can invest it after listing of this IPO. Here we have giving some few details about the company, where you can find it. This company exactly what they do into that business. Our business is diversified. Now the enterprise limited is business is diversified. They are primarily engaged with below vertical as a marketing support and advertising. So basically whatever we have given you in the detail about the product, it is the same as the one. So you can go through that and absolutely you will find it. They are into the outdoor media operation and spread across Mumbai and Thane. They help basically branding and brochure flyer of client material etc. They are preparing and all. Okay, so you can find it this company, or you can log on their investors portal to knowtheenterprises.com and find more detail about that company. Thank you. By Vriddhi Wage Finance. Our email address is wages2finance@gmail.com. You can mail us your feedback. You can have any issues with us, then you can please mail us. Apart from that, just this know the enterprise product and their company is into the advertising segment. So if you are interested, you can invest it. Choice is yours, guys. Market risk on own decisions where you want to invest it. But advertising industry never shut down, because where there is a manufacturer, there is a companies, they have to marketize their products, then you will use advertising industry. So now the enterprise is one of the advertising company, and you, if you are interested, you can invest it. Yes, absolutely, it depends on your own decision. Thank you, have a great day, bye bye.